Well, it happened. The school is officially closed for the remainder of the semester. So, what that means basically is that all face-to-face classes and hybrids, obviously in this case, will become fully online. Which I know is probably kind of a disappointment. I'm disappointed as well. I'm not particularly a huge fan of online courses. Luckily enough, this class was somewhat set up for online class. So what I want you to do is just continue working like we have been. That's why I'm sending you this email. You should be, at this point, you're supposed to be on week 8. I think most of you guys are somewhere between 3 and 4, the 2 of you. Trust me, once you get past 4, they should get a little bit easier as you're going through. But if you run into issues, just let me know. So what that means is this. So, you're just going to click on a class. You're going to basically, you can see here's the introduction, here's the lecture, and here's where you submit the assignment. Okay, so there's an assignment every week. It should be relatively straightforward. It's due at the end of each week, which you haven't been doing anyway, but that's fine. But try to catch up. There really isn't any reason not to. Now, I just wanted to touch base with you to let you know kind of what's going on. There's one other thing I would also like to do. So you're going to keep going on like you have been anyhow. But the other thing I want you to do is this. So I would like to schedule a meeting time with the 2 of you. It doesn't have to be at the same time, but I would like to just touch base with you. And maybe we can try and find a time that would work that the 2 of you can meet. Or maybe you can also meet at the same time as my other class. I might try and send you an email to a thing, okay? But I'm going to try to either send you an email to something that I will want you to join at the regular scheduled time, or I'm going to email you. It depends if I make it work. Or what I'm going to do is email you just a questionnaire of like when would be a good time for us to discuss, okay? Because basically this is the idea. If you go underneath the class right now, you have the lectures like you normally saw, and you have the assignments and everything else that was normally there. But the thing, I added something new to this, and this is what I'm hoping is going to help. I'd like to meet with you virtually using Collaborate. So you'll notice that there's now this thing called Virtual Classroom. If you click on that, it's going to have this little Join Room thing, okay? You click on Join Room, and basically what it is, it's Skype, but with an educational leaning, okay? So it's Collaborate. Just hit allow. This will obviously be better if you have a webcam or even just a microphone. I don't need to see you necessarily. I'd like to see what everyone looks like in the post-apocalyptic world, but hey, if you don't want to show me, that's fine. I get it. I don't need that. But it would be easier if I could hear you. Although it is possible when you're in here, if you click on this little tab here, you can chat by typing into this thing right here. But also we can do things where you can actually share your screen, okay? And we can share files and things like that. So basically it allows us to do more of an interactive lesson is the idea, okay? I still want you to do everything and watch the video tutorials and things like that, but this way what I can do is actually talk to you and see if we can help each other and figure out how things are going, okay? What I'm hoping to do is this. I'm going to meet with Web Design 1 during this next week, so that'll be on our regular scheduled time, so that would be Tuesday at 10 o'clock, 10 to 12:50. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to have you guys work or whatever, but I'm going to be readily available. What I'm going to try is, I set up this for them. I'm going to try and send you a link also to that Collaborate, so that hopefully you can just join in with their session, and that way I can help you guys there and we can talk to everybody. But if not, what we'll do is I'll have you just give me a list of times that you're available, and then, hopefully within reason. And then maybe just individually I will meet with you using this. So if I say, hey, if you're like, hey, can we meet, on Friday at noon? I'll be like, all right. And what we'll do is we'll just go to Blackboard. You'll click on Join Room, and hopefully I'll already be there. Or I don't know if you can start it. I think I have to start it first. But either way, you'll join, and then we can kind of work here. But that's basically the lump sum of why I'm sending this video out. So you should just carry on with what you're doing. If you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, please email me, and we'll try to get back to you within a timely manner. We're going to get through this, things like that. All right? But please try to get your guys' stuff done. All right? That is it.